In this video, we will demonstrate the disassembly procedure of the Fenac FNC SCK2048 K14 Encoder. Before installing the encoder onto the motor shaft, make sure that the M2 screw on the pulley is loosened. Place the encoder onto the motor shaft. Secure the encoder using the supplied M5 mounting screws. Tighten the screws using a 4mm Allen key. Secure the screw on the outer pulley to the motor using a 2mm Allen key. Connect the supplied connector cable, making sure that the connector is correctly oriented. After the connector is connected, position the metal part on the cable correctly in place. Close the encoder covers to protect against external influences.
Fenac Automation Control.